Okay, made it to the yard. It's about 10 to 8 Tuesday. Got cows, so I gotta open these gates and shut them and all that. But I gotta go up here and grab a trailer real quick. So many gates here, yeah. Each time I left this open one day and all the cows got out down through there and I had to go wrangle them up. That beautiful watershed down there. Hadn't fished it yet. Yeah. Okay, let's go up here and pick out the whole trailer. One I usually use. I love this electric one here. You ain't got to pull that handle out and crank it. Yeah, it makes it quite handy. Need to pull up. Okay, got her on. Now I'm just waiting for my gills to race up here. Yeah, it makes it so handy. I'm gonna get her hooked up here and we'll head down there to the house. Okay, got everything strapped down here. Got the UTV and the baby telehandler, and then some tires on back here. But yeah. Okay, here goes the cavalry. Got the mechanic's truck. Mason's in the tractor. Mike's in the telehandler and UTV, and I got the trailer behind me. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors hot shotting. Headed over by Prague to grab some equipment. Those cows are just laying around. Be another hot day. Okay, we're easing our way up in here. I think it's up here where these barns and stuff are. Oh. Okay, I was up here now checking tires. I gotta come and make sure all these tires are aired up, or we can come and hook onto it. Look at this giant Savage aerator here. Look at the tips on that. That thing goes to spinning. But this in here I'm a little concerned about. Yeah, which I got 2 spare in the back there. Okay, we're gonna head down this green chisel here. Stay tuned. This big giant International here. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff out scattered out in here. Okay, we made it down here to this old chisel. This thing ain't been moved in a while, but yeah, this doesn't still seem up. In there, pick up whenever we take it up. Look at so many weeds, I can't even see my coworker over there. I'll head you back in here and take these weeds. Out of the way here. Huh? It's the wrong stud. Okay, he's off in there now, putting another one on. I'm gonna get this one out of here. Okay, we got the aerator hooked up here to the tractor. Getting my truck loaded now. We got a sprayer, pecan harvester, and he's throwing this chisel on here now. Trying to figure out how to get it up on the tail end of it here. Yeah, it's getting hot out. 11:30. Okay, got my trailer all boomed down. Got that chisel, pecan tree shaker, pecan picker upper, and a sprayer. I don't know what he's back there hunting the rest. I guess to load Mike's trailer there. And then Boss has got that ripper there. on the back of his truck. Woo, it's getting warm. Thank you, Lord, for these clouds. Yeah, it's nice when it's shady. Okay. I had to get in here and turn the AC on. Woo, I got everything loaded. Got that last chisel out down there. Boss just left with it. I got the telehandler loaded and getting ready to load the UTV here. It's getting hot. It's 15:35. Go low. Oh. There we go. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna get this boom down. Let's get up out of here. That air sure feels good though. Might sit here for a minute. Be heading to, I gotta run to Watonga, drop off a tank tomorrow, and then head down to Cheyenne, Oklahoma, drop a tractor off, and then head down to Bray, Oklahoma, and pick up 3 items there and bring back to the yard tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a fun-filled day. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors and Hot Shot Farm Equipment. Okay, head to the house. Look at all this corn here. Big fields out here. Got beans up here and some more corn. Looks looking good. Everything's strapped down. Headed back to the yard. It's dang near quitting time. 16:20. Yeah. Okay, got everything unloaded off this rig. Let's go take a look at what we got to. I got my truck loaded for in the morning, I'm leaving 0600. Yeah. Here's our load for tomorrow. Yeah. It'll be dark in the morning when we head out. But I was hoping this, yeah, how they got this this tongue tied up here. Cool. Okay, sweet. Well, catch y'all in the morning. This is gonna be the end of this video here. O'Brien Venture Outdoors and Hot Shotting.